2007 Chevy Classic headlight change. First off, I already removed the pin, but you're going to take the pin out and make it easy on Chevys because they know it's going to break down. 2 plugs. You're going to remove those. You set this to the side. Now these made in the United States, these made in China. So we cut these down a little bit because they weren't fitting properly. So we're going to try to fit it now, see if it works. Just going to plug them right into the headlights. 1 and 2. Alright, now we're going to have to try to finesse it in here. Now at the very bottom, there's 2 little tabs that you got to get in there just right so it'll lock in place. Alright. Might have to shave some more off of it. Let's see. And now we're just going to push this pin through. A little bit tighter than the last. And then you got that little groove right there, you lock it down. And you're done. New headlights.